Mute.
Oh, let me bring you up here. Let me bring you up here. Hold on. No, go ahead. Go ahead. What were you saying? No, man, that's fine.
Nah, bro. Hey, man, class was phenomenal, man. Look, you already know we go way back, and if you all don't know, me and my brother go all the way back to when we were in Japan together. I've been able to be in the background and just watch, him grow, and God really put a spotlight on him as Curry can seek God, man, and just seeing his growth in this area. When we first found out about this foreign exchange, because we always had a heart to help people in ways to solve that top three in a household, one of the top threes, which is finance, right? And when it comes to the financial section, we knew that a lot of the times it created other problems in the household, stemming from we don't have enough money. That's a common problem, not just across America, but also across the world. So in this platform, we're able to use it to help other people learn things. And what you all saw here today, especially for the new people that is on here, definitely don't take it lightly. You're not on here by accident. You have been given the keys to a store of wealth that most of the world doesn't know about, and if they do know about it, they have no idea how to tap into it. So, and my brother has taken all of the knowledge for the past years that he has learned and put it in such a simple step. Like, I don't think y'all understand what he went through to get this strategy, like the steps and the ups, the downs, the when I say out the mud and the dirt, sleepless nights and everything with a family of 36 kids. You know, to bring to you all, so you can take it and run with it. It's just truly powerful, and it's just a blessing. It was just an honor to be a fly on the wall today, to be in class with you all, and also to learn this strategy and refresh for myself. During my time of fasting. So, but yeah, bro. Hey, I commend you, man. I'm proud of you. I love you, bro, and I'm
Love you
just
too.
excited to see what God is doing in your life.
Yes, sir. And we got more, bro. There's so much more.
I know they don't even know you.
So much more. Cool, man. Appreciate you, bro.
Yes, sir.
All right. Anybody else? Anybody else got anything they want to say?
Yes, I would love to just
Whoa,
say that.
whoa, whoa. Is that Allison? That's that
Yes,
Al?
I'm
Wait a
here.
minute. Wait a minute. Let me pin you up. That's Allison. Oh, let me sit back. Go ahead, sis. Go ahead.
Hi, good morning, family. Well, I've been literally working with the reckoning for about 3 weeks to a month. Haven't been to all my classes, but are consistently looking at the videos, practicing on my demo. And literally, this morning I went um on my live account and did 8 for 8, literally. And it has to do with just being consistent, um, having a good mentor. And Mr. KOBK has been truly encouraging to me and my journey trading, and being in a space that you can get that type of encouragement when it comes to trading, options, because it's so fast. It's it's like a life changing um, situation for me. I struggled trading for a couple years, and I think it was because I was not I didn't have the support, and I went in the market nervous. And now I can go into the market with this strategy, knowing that I there's a 90% of I would win my trade. And I go into the market with confidence and with less nervousness, and I am clearing my trades. Literally, I am practicing risk management, and every day I am growing my account 12 to 15%.
Jeez.
Thanks to the reckoning.
12 to 15%. It's crazy. Now that you said that, I had Callie on here, I believe 2 nights ago. And, she has the reckoning strategy, but she's new, right? So she has the strategy, but she didn't have any indicators on her chart. Like she was not utilizing it. So I was able to put everything on there. And I was like, Callie, give me control of your computer. We're not supposed to do this. But I started trading for her and grew her account 100% right in front of her face in less than 8 minutes. No joke. And she was like, oh my gosh. She was just mind blown. But she's back to it. She's back to looking at the videos and she's honing in on the skills. Guys, showing up here to the class in the morning is so important. You guys have to put in the repetition with this to really hone in on it. But the thing is, I've made it so simple for you guys that all you have to do is know your colors and it won't be daunting when you're doing it. I promise you guys. But you just got to put in the work. Cool, cool. Anybody else got anything else to say before we get out of here? Tim, where you at, bro? See, Tim back there quiet. He probably in the bed, sleep, slobbing at the mouth or something.
I'm right here.
What's up, Tim? Tim, you got anything you want to say, bro?
Pretty much just stay consistent. It's addictive at this point. I've been kind of in the market on and off for some years, but this reckoning, training, I'm addicted. You can probably tell in my voice, I'm not a morning person, but I make sure to be on here. So all the, what people were speaking, the Jason, the Wendy's, like this is real. So take advantage, enjoy, but we're all here to help for sure.
Absolutely. Cool. Thanks, bro. Thank you. Thank you. So with that being said, we made it back this morning, guys. What up, team? What up, family? What up, world? Grand rising, grand rising. Good morning. I'm your host, your boy, KOBK, and the KOBK stands for Knocked Out by Knowledge. Today, what we're going to do what we do every single week, Monday through Friday, starting at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I have some scholars on the line right now that are beasts when it comes to looking in the market, finding the idea set up, and executing profitable trades. Now, what makes this so much different? What makes this different is that I'm able to come on this platform and teach you guys, yes, you, how to make, and I'm going to say it, your monthly salary in a matter of minutes. But here's the kicker. I've developed my own strategy. I have a website. You guys can go down to my website. I'll put the link down below. It's KOBK Salute, and you guys can purchase a strategy of your liking. All of my strategies work, but this is the place where you get to come and you get to hone in. I'm going to hold your hand through the whole process and make sure that you know exactly what you're doing when you're executing these trades on your demo account first. And the reason I say your demo account, and for those of you who have no idea what the demo account is where we set you up with an account and it has fictitious money in there. It's going to start you off with around $50,000. Now you get to take my strategy and practice with their money to hone in on your execution, to hone in on finding the idea set up and looking for those profitable trades. And when you become really, really dialed in, when you know how to execute those entries, I'm going to give you a test. Now, the first test, it's not hard, but it just wants to test your knowledge of the vocabulary to make sure you understand the proper terminology when we're identifying things in the market. Because the worst feeling that you can have is when you hear lingo and you see people making money, but you're lost because you don't understand the terminology. So me personally, I want to make sure that you understand the terminology and you know what we're talking about while you're learning the skill. Once you start picking up on that, and I have a couple on here and I may have them speak, you're able to go to the demo account with me on a webinar, and you're going to show me what you know. You're going to show me that you know how to enter the market. You're going to show me that you know how to look for the idea setups, and then you're going to execute those trades. And then we're going to see how profitable you are in the market. Guys, listen. This strategy that we're going over today is called the reckoning, and it's super powerful. One reason that it's major powerful is because I created it. The next thing is super powerful is because we're literally taking 10-second trades in the market, and you can make anywhere on the demo side from $1 up to $1,000 per 10 seconds. On your live account, you can go above that. Now, who am I? I'm prior military, was in the Air Force for over 15 years and decided to do something a little bit different. I'm married. I have 5 children. Now I just had twin girls, so that's 7 kids, and I had to do something different, guys. I was tired of working that same old job, getting deployed, going to Iraq, going to Afghanistan, getting bombed at, and then there was plenty of times where it didn't even know if I was going to come back, right? But I had to do something different. I had a very dear friend that came into my life, and he mentioned the word Forex to me. I had no idea what it was. I'm going to be honest, guys. I thought it was old men trading on Wall Street when I first heard about it. But he introduced me to the Forex side. Then I was introduced to this side, and I fell in love with both. Listen, guys, this platform is a complete game changer. But the thing you have to do is you have to find the strategy that works for you, stick with that strategy, and then once you hone in on that strategy and you learn that strategy, you have 2 things to worry about: your risk management and greed. If you can manage those 2, you can be dominant over in this space. And people say greed. Well, what do you mean greed? Well, when you find out that you can win, and I'm just going to use $100, when you find out that you can make $100 every 10 seconds, you're going to want to keep going and keep going and keep going and keep going. Guess what? That's that greed monster starting to kick in. So over here, I'm going to teach you how to come up with a sheet, come up with a daily trading plan so you can hit your goal, be done for the day, and then go do something else with your family. Or you can hit your daily goal and then go to your demo account and hone in on your skills some more. But I say, hey, once you hit your goal, take a break, go spend your time with your family, come back tomorrow, and let's reattack this thing again. Before I go any further, I would actually like Jason and Wendy to speak up on everything that they've seen here so far since they've been here, guys. They've been here less than 2 weeks, and within 3 days, they grabbed a hold of this strategy and they ran. This husband and wife duo is super, super phenomenal. So, Jason and Wendy, are you guys available to speak?
Yeah, we're here.
Yo, if you guys can just talk, and I want y'all to be honest. If y'all think I'm trash, if you think my strategy is trash, let the people know. The people want to know. Be honest now.
Are you Oscar? Nah. No, I'll speak up quick because Wendy's on the phone real quick handling something. But yeah, the strategy is pretty good. Like I said, you pretty much have to have discipline. That's what it comes down to. And I have myself has fallen victim sometimes to that. Man, I'm winning. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep going. But you got to set yourself a goal for the day. And once you hit that goal, like you said, just walk away, enjoy your wins, enjoy the rest of your day, come back tomorrow, because it's easy to get caught up in that, everything's going good. And then, sometimes it can go the other way. So, take your wins, set your goals, and move on to another day. The strategy works. You just got to keep practicing, like it says on the demo account. Don't rush it. Take your time. You're going to make mistakes. We all do. And nothing is foolproof, but you just got to learn the strategy, look for your entries, have patience, and you will definitely be successful. And on top of that, he's there to help you. He's accessible. You can call him, text him, and he'll get back to you and help you through whatever it is you need to go through. So that's my experience. Well, that's our experience so far. And we've been here every day at class because there's always something to learn. There's always something to look forward to, or something you didn't see last week or the day before. And you're like, oh, okay, I get this, or I get that, or I see something else that I can, hone in on. So that's pretty much it. That's our testimony. Going forward, we're going to be here every day as well. Keep on learning the strategies and learning positive, and also the people that's in here. Everyone's here to learn and everyone's here to help each other out. So that's another good thing you have going. That's my skill.
Absolutely. Hold on, bro. You left something out though. So you started trading. What was your best day trading with the strategy? Do you remember your best day?
It was like sometime last week. I think it was either last week or the week before. We had like what, babe? Like 18 out of 24. 18
So,
out of 24
so
players.
what does that mean? Some people don't know what that means. What does that mean?
So out of 24 trades total, we won 18
Boom,
out of the 24.
boom. Phenomenal, phenomenal. Thank you guys. Y'all drop some sevens in the chat because let me tell you guys, they bought the strategy and they've been plugging in every single day. They've been asking questions. And let me tell you, they are some fast learners. And I'm going to be honest. Hey, don't tell them I told y'all this, but I thought the husband was fired. It's the wife. It's the wife. She got on this call, guys, and we were looking at the charts, and she was just identifying stuff super fast. Now, we already know, I'm going to just be honest, we know women are better at identifying patterns and things like that when it comes to small, intricate details. You guys just dominate. So shout out to you guys, though, definitely. So what I'm going to do, the first thing that I do before we look into the market is we have to look at a couple things. The first thing that we're going to look at right now is the Forex factor. So this Forex factory, you guys can just go to Google, type in Forex factory, and it brings up the current news global dealing with currencies around the world. So right here, as you can see, we have the date. Today is November 27th. And then here you have your time category. So what the time category is that when you see this time, this is the time that news may be impacting the currency that you're looking at. This right here is your currency. So you get to see GBP, EUR, USD, GBP, AUD, AUD, GBP. These are all different currencies that will be affected by the news according to their timestamps over here on the left-hand side. And then right here, you can read what's going on. And then you have you have your forecast percentage, the previous forecast, and then what it actually does once that time hits. And then you have a graph as well. Now, that's a lot of talk, right? I don't know what's going on. I'm going to just break it down. If you see a red folder, guys, this is for my beginner traders and my advanced traders. If you do not know how to read these red folders, just stay away from it. Do not trade that currency pair. Just stay away. So for the time step at 8:18 tonight, don't trade a AUD. So during that Asian session, you do not want to trade that time. So that is a high impact folder. Now, your orange folders are your medium impact folders. Now, you can trade them, but it's not as much risk as a high impact folder. And then you have your yellow folders, which are your low impact folders. You can trade these if you want to. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom, you may be asking, what is the best time to trade? For me, I love trading the London, New York session. As you guys see down here, I'm on the East Coast, Eastern Standard Time right now. So you can create an account here, or you can use their free account. It's a free membership. You don't have to pay for anything. You can set up an account and you can adjust the timestamp according to where you are. So this matches where you're located. Now, the London and the New York session, the reason I like trading during these sessions because it's the most money in the market. That's how I'm going to put it to you guys. That means the market moves a lot faster, it moves up, it moves down, but it's more value in that market. So I love trading during the overlap of the London and New York. Now, I will trade the London session as well because there are some very, very profitable moves during the London session. Over here, you see the Sydney and the Tokyo session. We call this the Asian session. Now, this market right here moves a little bit slower, but there's still money to be made in this market. So this really comes down to what type of trader are you? Do you want to get into the market, make your money and be done? Or do you want to take like a 5, 10, an hour, 2-hour trade, come back and look at it and see that you're either in profit or you're out of profit? So this is the slower market. And this is the faster market. I prefer this market right here. And then I'm going to go over here to currency strength meter. Guys, just go to Google, type in currency strength meter, and you'll see two that pop up. I utilize both of them. The other one is the UK live charts. Now, this one right here is just a currency strength meter. And what this does, it tells you how strong a certain currency is. Let me go ahead and refresh that. And when you guys come over here, if you've been on the other platform for a while, just come over here, refresh it, and then you'll see the bars update. Now, every single currency has their own category, their own strength, and you get to pair them with other pairs. So I love GJ, and GJ is GBP, JPY. So it's two currencies fighting against each other. The way I like to look at it is like it's tug of war. So if we're looking at these two currencies right here, we can see JPY is stronger. So if I'm playing tug of war, I want to be on the JPY side because I know they're going to dominate GBP because they have more strength. They have more muscle on this side. So I'm going to trade in the strength of this currency right here. And then you see you got CAD. CAD is super weak. So you really don't want to go with this strength. So if I'm trading AUD versus the CAD, I want to go with this strength, the AUD, because it's stronger. And then you just look for the setups. The platform we're going to use is going to be called Pocket Options. Now, I'll go ahead and put a link down there in the descriptions to go ahead and set you guys up if you want to. If you use my link, they'll go ahead and when you're ready to go live, they'll give you a 50% bonus on top of whatever you decide to put into your live trading account. I know you guys see me trading live earlier. We'll go live again a little later on. So as of now, since we're trading and you guys are practicing, I want all of you guys on your demo account. Now, I'm going to break this down, how this strategy works. Some of you guys may have never seen this, right? But prior to getting in that, let's go over a few things on this platform. So when you first start off, your chart's going to look something similar to this. You're just going to see this little ball, right? And I'm just going to take a $10 trade, and I have two options. There's a ball. If I hit the green button, I need that ball to be above my line where I enter. If I hit the red ball, I need that ball to be below where I enter. So I'm just going to hit the green ball. Not doing any analysis. I just press the button, right? I have a 50-50 chance of being correct on this trade. And it looks like I'm going to take a lesson. Boom. I just lost that trade. Now, I used no analysis. Let's do it again. I'm going to hit it again. I'm going to hit down again. It was going down. Let's see if it's going to continue to go down. Okay. We're in profit. That ball is below that line. That ball is below that line. We just cleared that trade. So that trade, I just made $19.20 on that trade. I invested $10. I risked $10 of my money, but this is the demo money, guys. $10 of my fake money, and the profit was paying out 92%. So I profit $9.20 on that investment. Now, when I took a lesson, when I lost my original trade, I didn't lose $19.20. What I lost was what I invested right here. And you can go right here in this trade amount, and you can put whatever amounts you want in there and trade that way as well. And then here's your time. So you get to select your time. If you see the flag, guys, just go ahead and hit the flag. You could trade this way if you want to and select 30, M1, 10. I don't like that. I like my time to be exact. So if I want to trade 10 seconds, I want to trade 10 seconds. I do not want to trade, say there's 13 seconds left here, and I'll show you guys, plus 2 minutes. I don't want to trade 2 minutes and 13 seconds. I want to trade exactly 2 minutes. So to a trade the exact time, you come here, you hit that flag, and you change your time. So today we will be trading 10 seconds. And then I'm going to switch my candles. So this is my chart type. I have line, candles, bars, and hike and ash. I'm going to go hike and ash. And if you guys want to know why I decided to choose hike and ash, I'll tell you later. But most individuals, they choose regular candles. Let me just tell you now. So the reason I choose hike and ash. So right here on regular candles, we have green candles, we have red candles, green. We don't know without any knowledge if the market is going up or down. It's kind of sporadic, right? So we do know green candles mean that the market is buying, and then the red candles mean that the market is selling. But sometimes this confuses individuals because they don't know when to get in. So if you come here and you go to hike and ash, this filters out all the noise. So we know during this time that there were more buyers in the market buying. Okay, now right here, you got buyers, sellers, more buyers here, sellers here, buyers here. But right here, we have a lot more sellers. That's phase one of understanding what's going on. I've developed this strategy so that kids can do this. My brother's actually online here. He's actually the one, him and I, we have our own business where we go into the Georgia, well, we're in 3 counties right now, but we go into Georgia public schools and we teach the kids how to utilize this. We talk to them about finances, cryptocurrency, security, and a little bit more. But this is a strategy that we're able to go in there and teach the youth how they can make money in the market from the comforts of their home just using their cell phone. And then their parents love it as well. Over here on the top left, you have your currencies, right? So you can pick currencies, cryptocurrencies, commodity stocks, indices. We're only worried about currencies. So I'm going to click currencies, and then I'm going to hit the star on a few of these currencies. Now, look, the reason I'm hitting the star is because I want these to populate at the top so I can look at multiple currencies really, really fast. I'm going to go ahead and select that. And what I'm doing is I'm selecting all the ones with 92% just for now. All right, cool. So we got that. I need to change this, changing this to S15. So what that does, that means every single one of my candles are 15 seconds. If I was to change it to H1, every single one of these candles that you see are 1 hour. And then day and M3 is every candle will be 3 minutes. But we're going to stick with S15. And then I have my indicators. Now, I'm not going to give you guys my settings for my indicators. My settings are for people who actually purchase the product. What I am going to do is show you how easy it is to use this without having my settings now. And then if you guys want to go ahead and join me Monday through Friday, you'll get the rest of the settings as well. So here's what we got. So today I have a purple line. For those of you who've been on here with me before, my purple line is my red line. Just keep that in mind. So I have my red line, my aqua is still the aqua, guys. So my red line, when my candles, purple line, when my candles right here, these are called candles, are underneath that purple line, I'm looking to take a sell. I'm looking to hit the red button. That's one. The next thing I need is a red candle. That's 2. That means I'm looking to hit the red button. The next thing, I'm looking to have a red candle down here. That's 3. That means I'm ready to hit the red button. My next thing is this red line right here must be on top. That's 4. When I have 4 of those, that is a good notification that I can sell this pair. Now, when I'm looking to buy, let me see if I can find a buy for you guys.
AUD CAD.
Oh, got AUD cat. Let's go over there. Look at this. Look at the scholars calling it out. Look at the scholars calling it out. Thank you. All right, cool. Thank you. So AUD cat. When I have my candles above my purple line, that is telling me to buy. Green candle telling me to buy. Green line on top telling me to buy. And then I also have the green candle as well. Now you guys see me enable the timer. This is going to be very important. So this timer is what you see. It says S15. So there's a countdown for every single candle so you know when to enter the trade. That's important with this strategy that we're using because once we find a wave, we get in at 1 second and we take every single trade. So every single one of these trades, 1,000 here, 1,000 here, 1,000 here, 1,000 here, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. The most important part to this strategy is this down here. The cross. Let me take this off. Enable auto scroll. This right here. This is the most important part because this identifies when the trend is starting. So the green's on top, we're looking to buy. So we get the cross. That green line crosses that red. That's telling me it's ready to buy. So that's 1. But I have red here. I don't have green. My green candles are still underneath my purple line. I'm not going to enter that trade. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wait. So I wait. Boom. Here's my first candle, right? Now, we could have entered this trade and we could have possibly taken a loss here because the fractal appeared right here, the triangle. Now, I'm going to break down the triangles. The triangles are letting you know when the market wants to turn around. So if I get a green triangle, that is telling me that the market wants to turn around because it's bought so high. Now it's ready to sell off. If I get a red triangle, that's telling me that the market is sold, that it's ready to turn around. Once you put all this together, it is game on, and you can initiate the trades. And the thing is, guys, once you get your entry, you take every single trade until you get your caution. My strategy is built with an alarm system. It's built with a caution, and it protects your income, protects your money. So if you're taking this trade, every single trade, you're taking it for a buy and you get a triangle, I want you to pause. Don't trade again, because the market's getting ready to breathe. It's getting ready to turn around. It may not have as much momentum as it did before. So you pause. If you're taking this trade and you get a red candle down here, that means I want you to pause. Protect your income, protect your money, protect your account, because the market is getting ready to do something else. You reevaluate, you just wait, because these are only 15-second candles. And when the setup hits, and then you enter the trade. So now let's go ahead and let's see if we can find a setup. So we will be trading in 10 seconds. We will be trading 10 seconds right now. And then I will also show you guys how you can get in on a continuation after this move is made. So say we started looking at this chart and this move has already happened, but we see the candles are still above that line right there, that purple line. Green line still on top. Green is still here. You can potentially get in a trade here and still catch some, but I don't want you to do that. I want you new traders to focus on finding that cross and get it in there, because that's when you will have the most success. So say we got in right here. We literally just got a fractal and the market is starting to turn around right here. You don't want to be caught in that situation. I want you guys to be caught catching the whole wave going up this way, possibly taking a loss here and then pausing right here. We don't win every single trade. This strategy is not built to win every single trade. This strategy is built so you win way more than you lose. All right. So for those of you that have been on this call with me already, go ahead. Let's see if you guys see a setup. Call it out. I'll go over there, evaluate it. Oh, we got one coming right here. NZDJPY is setting up, guys. We're getting ready to get the cross. We have red. We have green. Boom, boom, boom. We're good. Waiting on the cross, guys. Then I will enter this trade. I don't like that. I do not like that. I'm still going to enter this trade, though, at 10. Boom. I'm in that trade. So I'm in my first trade, NZDJPY. I'm in for $1,920 on this trade. Let's see if we clear. If we do clear, I will re-enter. I'm entering again, guys. That's another one. Now, I do see I get a caution. There's a red right here. It's starting to cross. But let's see if we clear this trade. I believe we are. I'm still going to enter this next trade because nothing is telling me to get out. Nothing is telling me. Boom. I'm in it again. Let's go. We got our wave. We got our wave. We got our wave just like that. So if I lose this trade, if nothing, I'm going to pause. Here's my caution. The red is back on top. I'm not going to trade. I'm going to wait. I'm still going to wait. And the reason I'm waiting is because my red line is on top. For those of you who've been here, we see that we did not create a new higher high with this candle. This candle is actually in a retracement. Let's just be patient. Let's wait. There's a new high. I'm in that trade. Boom. I'm in that trade. Let's go. And that's actually at 10 was another entry, guys. I did not take that, but I will be looking to re-enter this trade again at 1. I don't have an abort mission. I do not have an abort mission yet. I'm in that trade. I do see we're losing momentum down here at the bottom. My green line is starting to come down. This might be very close for a clear. We might take a lesson. I took a lesson. I'm done. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. Let's see if we create a new high. Boom. There's my fractal. We're done, guys. So what we do is, now that we got our triangle, we're not going to enter yet. We're going to wait. Now, you can trade this 2 different ways. As this pulls back to our money, we could potentially take a buy like that to the next level. But I'm not going to do it because it's super close right now. It's super close. Super close. If we close above, I will re-enter. If we break above, if price closes above that line, I will re-enter. There we go. I'm entering that trade. I will re-enter again at 10 if it pulls back. I'm not. We're good. I'm just going to ride the wave now. Ride the wave. Everything's up. There's a good pullback. Let's see if we clear. Boom. I'm going to enter this trade again. I do see a massive pullback, but I'm still going to enter. There's a massive pullback again. I'm going to take a double entry there as well. Now I'm going to wait. Let's see if we clear this trade. I do see that we have selling pressure coming into the market. That's another clear. I will re-enter at 1, enter in this trade too. I don't need you to tell me good job. I know the strategy is good. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're riding the wave, guys. I hope y'all riding this wave with me. Boom. I'm taking this next trade. I'm not exiting at 1. I'm getting in. Boom. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. This is a dangerous candle because it almost opened at the same height of this trade. We're probably going to get a fractal here, but listen, we do have a zone here, guys. For those of you who've been here, this is still a valid zone. There we go. Red, fractal, boom. I'm done. We're out. I'm done. I'm done trading. Just like that. We're done trading. We're done. That's it. Caught a bag. We're out. We are out. We're out. So, but that right there is how you use the reckoning strategy. I know it seems very fast, guys, but it's color coordinated. And the more you guys show up to this class, you make your money and then you're done trading for the day. It's 9:09. We started at 8:30. We really probably only traded for about 9 minutes and we're done with the market. But anyway, those of you that have tuned in from IG, Facebook, YouTube, I greatly appreciate you guys for tuning in. Make sure you go to my website. Link is down below. Secure your strategy. And I did just open it up. So I'm now accepting payment plans on those strategies as well. So you can join us every single day, Monday through Friday, 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, this location. And I will continue to bring you guys more sauce, more help, more hands-on training. And I'm doing something better with the website as well. And I am continuing to build that other website for you guys that have purchased strategies, so you can literally go over there and have a hub dedicated to you for the strategy that you're using. For those of you that are on this call right now, please stay on. But anyway, it's your boy KLBK Salute, and we are out of here. Everything is color coordinated. Candles underneath the red line, that's 1. Red on top, that's 2. Red down here, that is 3. 1, 2, that's 3. Those are the 3 signals to enter the trade to let you know that it's a good trade. But what we look for, our entry point when taking these trades, is our cross right here.